Welcome to J&J's test video of 9550. This is a 94 Miata, 150,000 miles on it, and is very nice. Has a hard top on it, but just whoever owned it took very very good care of it. Very well maintained. You walk around. Seats are nice, door panels are nice. Steering wheel's pretty good. 149, 487. Tape deck, heater controls. Nothing really to test. Hard tops in there, soft tops there. Flip the headlights up, and that'll be that. I can't drive it. I don't want to drag it across the concrete. I think the headlight's working. Alright, as always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.